Sometimes when the universe wants you to change the course of your life, it sends you a sign. Perhaps a reoccurring dream, or you keep seeing the same numbers everywhere, or hearing the same song over and over and over again. You just never know with the universe, but this time the universe threw me a curveball. In today's vlog, I wanted to talk to y'all about depression and anxiety. It's definitely real. If you haven't ever experienced it or had a touch of it or anything, thank God, because I would never want any one of you guys to feel the way I feel on a daily basis. So I've been trying to change my eating habits. So I'm going to get me some yogurt, and you see I'm making me some warm tea. The warm tea is basically to calm my nerve when I'm feeling anxious, and everything starts with your stomach. I know that it's too much sugar, but I put three little lumps of sugar in there, but it shouldn't hurt at all. But anyway, so my depression and my anxiety has been going on for years. I've learned some techniques on how to, let me see, I'm going to say dumb it down, but subside some of the emotions and stuff that I feel when I have anxiety and depression. But right now, one of them is eating healthy. The second one is getting something to warm your tummy. But right now, this is what depression looks like in my room. This is everything that I have, that I've collected over the years, that I just keep on buying stuff because buying stuff makes me happy. Buying stuff does something for me. It makes me feel real. It makes me feel present when I go out and buy stuff. But it also creates a lot of clutter. So stick with me while I clean my room and declutter my brain and my space. Thank you.
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was just blind, I was just so in it. I was just so committed. Now I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you're doing too much and you don't like it when I know it's you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Baby, cause you're doing so much and you're trying too hard, trying to get a reaction. I'm a child, so feeling dead, so I said that I was needing. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right.